With the increasing number of brands online, distributors often face the challenge of finding quality and reliable brands with which they could build a long-term partnership. So how do you find the ideal brands to work with? Here are some of the important questions you should ask. Will the brand provide great discounts that would increase your profit margin? Will the brand ship out your order quickly, perhaps within a week of payment? Will the brand provide dedicated support to help you with your questions before and after sales? Hi, I'm Maya. I would like to tell you about the Elite Partner event on Alibaba.com, one of the world's leading B2B e-commerce marketplaces. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future tips. You might have been searching extensively to find a good long-term brand to partner with online. At the Elite Partner event section of Alibaba.com, you can do just that because that is where we feature selected brand suppliers on our platform. All of them provide distributor exclusive discounts on a great selection of ready-to-ship products. They also have a professional customer service team that will assist you with any questions you may have. And with the discounted samples currently being offered at the Elite Partner event, you can always get a sense of the quality and the look of the products before sourcing for more. Here's how you can enter the event and find these great brand suppliers on Alibaba.com. First, type in Elite in the search bar on the homepage and the result will take you to the event site. You will see a brief introduction on all the featured brand suppliers once you land on the page. Just click on the one you're interested in to enter the supplier page. On the supplier page, you can find more information about the supplier, their products, and the distributor exclusive benefits they are currently offering. Scroll down the page and check out the discounted sample section. Clicking on the button will take you to the chat directly with the suppliers and place your sample requests. You can also connect with the supplier via the Inquire Now about becoming our distributor button to tell them about your needs and ask your questions from there. And that's how easy it is to find a quality and reliable brand supplier on Alibaba.com. The Elite Partner event is held every month with different slates of selected suppliers from various industries. Set up a reminder on the first day of every month to meet more quality suppliers in the future. So come and check out the Elite Partner event where you can discover quality and reliable brands on Alibaba.com.